see that? Okay, gas is on now. Oh. So don't add water. Don't add water to it. The juice is gonna come out by itself, and then you stir. There's gonna be water underneath, and then I'll show you guys in a minute. Here's the cover for the top. Everything around the area where I chop the meat, fresh meat, must be washed thoroughly. This is a soap container. Oh, it's not finished. Okay. Very hot. What is that calling? So it looks like this one is not even strong enough. I'm going to need a bigger one. So wooden stick will do the job. This one here. See, guys, I told you, don't add water. There will be water coming out. Look at a whole lot of water. So, cooking my chicken, I don't add water. Okay. Ayekbo, ayeba. So this is ginger. Oh, please don't throw me. How do they speak the English safe? You see? Don't add water. Look at the whole water. Look at it. Look at the water if you can see it. And there's garlic. So this is garlic. Minced herb. Now I'll come back and add the rest as they cook along. I'll be adding. So that's it. Okay. So now I'm gonna have to go upstairs and see, because today I'm still gonna make my daughter's hair. So this is how I spend my off day. It is very, very important. So that is why my off day is important to me, especially holidays. So that's enough water, enough, so the juice will come out itself. Guys, really believe I still have to cook some stew today. In fact, I'm still gonna cook some stew. Well, let me rest my feet a little bit. So now